Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about my digital empire. So basically, my website, when you go to www.legacywithsusy.com, you're done for your digital online course that literally takes you through everything you need to know about the online digital space. So now sit tight with me and walk with me while I show you what this is all about. So now it's time for the fun part. We're ready to dive into how to discover an online business using a proven blueprint. You might want to take a look at this blueprint because it's a free PDF that gives you the step-by-step of what is required to actually build your own business online. So all you'll be required to do is to put in your email here and click on this that says, yes, get my free blueprint. And once you click on that, boom, you get the magic. The email gets sent to you. You have that blueprint right into your email. But what if you want to really understand what is this about? Is this even for me? So then you come, as soon as you as soon as it's gone to your email, you get this video, this first page that says, watch this video. And then you have right below it, you have this yes, get access to the legacy. So once you click that yes, get access to legacy, you see this. And basically, this kind of walks you through how would an extra 900 per day change your life. This literally has changed my life. And this just explains you don't need any experience. You don't even need to have any tech skills. You learn to basically keep every dollar you earn, and you learn to attract your daily paid clients. It's just a plug and play system, literally done for you, and you get to work 2 hours a day globally. And this is open to anyone, anywhere in the world. You can work from your phone or online and actually sell this to different people at the stated price. Okay, so now what really sets this apart? So we have this legacy builder, so the certification. It basically helps you to get certified and keep 100% of your profits. And the good news is you don't have to get certified first before you sell the product. You can start selling, make your sales, and then decide gradually you want to take the course and get certified. So literally you own your income. It's your own business. You keep every dollar you earn. You don't create any products. You're just leveraging into a proven blueprint, a proven system, and you become an instant authority. It is scalable and automated. You work a minimum of 2 hours in a day, and basically it has inbuilt compliance that literally keeps scammers away. So tell me why you wouldn't want to be part of this awesome community. Okay, so when you scroll down, you would see this place that talks about people's different success stories. And these are people from all over the world. And they are just telling you about how this has changed their lives. And if I were you, I would recommend that you listen to at least a couple of them and hear firsthand what they feel and how the business has changed their lives. And then looking at this, you're talking about it's literally walking you through the path to a profitable automated business with live coaching and expert mentorship. And these are the reasons why this is really unique. So it is a plugin done for your automated system where everything is literally pre-built. You just plug and play. You also get free expert coaching when you get the blueprint, when you actually pay for the course, and mentorship as well to master the blueprint. And this is like a live session. So you're literally going to be in a session with live coaches. And then you also have the opportunity to automate, scale with 24/7 business growth. How cool does that sound? So now, why is this perfect for you? This would help you instantly access your pre-built digital business and blueprint that is already tested and has been proven to be really true. So if you are one person who wants to make extra income from home and you're not sure how to start, or you have a 9 to 5 that doesn't provide you with the financial security that you need, Or you want to work from anywhere in the world. You don't want to have to go into an office. You don't want to have to go apply for a job. Or your retirement is around the corner and you're looking for a reliable income stream. Or you're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family friendly business and you've tried other opportunities, but none of them actually yielded the kind of results that you wanted. And you're just basically looking for a step by step system that removes the guesswork from everything regarding your online business. Then this is perfect for you. However, it's not for everyone, right? If you're expecting guaranteed results without any effort, no, this is not the get rich quick scheme. If you're also unwilling to take action, this is definitely not for you. And if you don't want to be on video or you don't want to create content, so the big deal here is or right. So you don't want to be on video, that's fine, but you do want to create content, that's absolutely fine. You have a place here. But if you don't want to be on the video, you don't want to create content, then how would you sell to clients? So this is not for you if none of those apply. And then if you aren't coachable and if you want someone to do everything for you, this is absolutely not for you. If you lack the basic tech skills and you're not willing to learn, so the key thing here is not willing to learn. If you're willing to learn, boom, you're good. You're good. But if you're not willing to learn, then this is not for you. Or anyone who isn't willing to invest in their business. You need to be able to invest in this business because, of course, you have to pay for the course, right? So it's not for you if you don't want to invest in this business. So why does this process even work? So you might have seen this before and you just didn't quite understand. But I'll just explain this using a very simple model. So I bought my phone in Best Buy in Canada, right? And when I bought it, Best Buy did not create the phone. It's an iPhone. Best Buy did not create this phone, but however, Best Buy sells it and gets a lot of money on it. Best Buy did not do any form of research. They didn't do any design or manufacturing. However, they sell it and they profit from it and legally resell it as an authorized distributor. So now that's exactly how this works. Yes, you didn't create it, but you do sell it and get 100% profit of whatever you're selling. So this is really an awesome piece. So how does this outperform other business models? A lot of people are into, for example, affiliate marketing, where you get a middleman in between. But this model is strictly 100% profits, no middleman, no product creation, no risk. You're not creating anything. You're not having to brainstorm or think about what to do or what to create. Everything is literally done for you. There's no inventory or shipping. You're not looking for storage. You're not even looking to say, oh, how would this even sell? Because guess what? Has a proven demand. It's sold a lot of times, and you would see here that it's clearly written online. It's a $400 billion industry and it's still growing. So the online digital space is here to stay. So why would you not jump in? Okay. So why do other business models fail within the first 5 years? Affiliate marketing, you don't get 100%, and it's as simple as that. Drop shipping, you have low margins and high hassle. Or you start from the scratch with high cost, high risk. Who wants that? Like, seriously. Or network marketing, you don't own it and you're just paid a percentage of what is being of whatever profit is being made. So tell me, why would these other models not fail within the first 5 years? However, this one you're looking at, it's been a proven tool for success. You have 4 income streams to actually generate this success. You have the $900 USD, $600 USD, $300 and $100. And basically, you have the master resale rights to 4 income streams. So, for example, if you're buying the 900 US dollar, then you're able to sell every other one. So you're able to sell the 900, 600, 300, and 100. So that's really awesome. But that's if you're buying the 900. And then you have multiple income streams, right? These are multiple income streams. You can wake up to $100 or $300 or even $900. It's a done for you automation. You're not chasing people. The email funnels are all built. Your sales page, everything is ready to go. You have social media domination. You also have exclusive guest trainings. All of these are part of the program. And then you have a supportive system, a supportive community of over 50,000 people from all over the world there to encourage you and there to boost your confidence and share all that they have been learning all through. And then the pricing is transparent, so you would see that aside from the amount that you're seeing, the 900, 600, 300, and 100, there is a $39 pre-built website fee, and that's basically it. So all you need is whatever course you're purchasing plus that $39 to get your website fee, and you're ready to go. And it does have payment plans as well, depending on the country you're purchasing it from. So why wouldn't you leverage a proven step-by-step blueprint that literally guides you through creating a sustainable online income? It helps you to fast track your profits. You have effortless automation and easy tech strategies. You have like a tech support that's always there to hold your hand. You also have the pre-built website. You have the daily passive income. You have faceless brand market mastery, recurring revenue strategies, branding accelerator. All of these wonderful things are part of the program, which you will be leveraging if you sign up. And then, of course, you also have the email list explosion, growing and nurturing your email lists and actually sharing with them until they turn to clients. So this is super awesome if you ask me. So this business you're looking at, it enables you to sell and keep 100% of the profits. But this is what you will get. Lifetime access to the legacy program if you purchase the $900 one. You also have the certified reseller licensing. That's the one we talked about previously that you need to read and get certified for the course. Everything is inside the course. You also have resale rights to all four of the products. That's if you're buying the 900, of course. You have all your marketing materials, pre-built funnels, everything plug, play, use. And then you have master resale rights to resell the entire package to everyone and anyone. And then you also have a bonus that comes with it if you plug into this $900 program. However, if you don't have the $900, it is affordable for everyone's pocket. So there are other four income streams that would also be a great place to start, depending when you have the money to upgrade to a higher one. So you have the 600 USD dollar, and this one is a digital mastery one, and this one is pretty cool. It's a good place to start. You also have the 300 USD and the 100. So the key thing about these guys is that you can only sell the one you bought and then anything lower. So for example, you're buying the $600, you're able to sell the 600, 300, and 100. But if you bought the 300, you can't sell the 600. You can only sell the 300 and the 100. So that's basically how this goes. But again, if you ask me, I would always recommend the $900 simply because it comes with a free community and the fact that you get live one-on-one coaching, which isn't available in these other guys. All right. So these are the things you get. These are the extra bonuses. You have those weekly live coaching. You have access to over 50,000 members, and you have this community access where you have access to templates and everything else that you would need to be successful in your journey online as well. And because we believe in setting you up for success, you will have loads of these. So you have the Canva crash course. You will have the 30-day market strategy. You will have the community builder. So you want to start your own building, you want to start your own community. This is there for you step by step, what to do and what not to do. You want to understand how to grow your business online. Everything is step by step. You want to plug your system online. Everything is step by step. Videos, 5 minutes here, 6 minutes here. All these videos readily available if you're willing to plug in and play. Okay, so you were built for more, aren't you? Right. So if you're built for more, then life is too short to continue to work just 40 hours. And after working that 40 hours, you're not able to make as much as this. You're trading time for dollars, and there's always an income cap at a job. But think about this and imagine this. This doesn't require any form of application. You're not applying to any employer. You're literally sitting down at home with your laptop, with your phone, taking amazing pictures, posting them online, selling them to everyone and anyone, and literally sitting down and letting the automation do its bit. With the automation, you're able to make money directly, even without lifting a finger. So anyone who sees your website goes in any part of the world, clicks, makes a purchase without you doing anything. So this is really awesome. This is an opportunity you shouldn't miss. And it's an opportunity to actually sell things on autopilot because you don't have to be in the face of the client. As long as the client has seen your presence online, has access to your link, is able to make that purchase, and you get the money straight into your pocket. So now I ask you, what if the life you've always imagined is just one decision away? Let that sink in. So, this is what I really love about this. One, it's a rejection free business. You're not DMing anyone, you're not chatting anybody up to come and purchase. You're literally putting yourself online and letting the automation do the magic. You have the opportunity to also leverage free ads method. Everything step by step is spelled out in the program in case you want to go that route as well. And there's so many other opportunities for you to actually sell this online. So I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but if I were you, I would hop on very quickly. So let me know in the comments. Do you have questions I haven't answered? Do you have fears or anything you want me to clarify? Feel free to put everything in the comments. Like, comment, share to someone who might need it, and I'll be there to answer your questions. If you want to email me, it's simple. Just email me at hello@legacywithsusy.com and I will answer all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to having you in my next video.